Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This is a major redesign for the Tacoma, which has been on sale for the past 15 years. The new Tacoma is built on a new platform, has a new engine, and a host of new features. Body, engine and performance. The new Tacoma is available with two engines, a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 3.5-liter V6. The 4-cylinder engine produces 278 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque, while the V6 produces 354 horsepower and 389 pounds-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy. The 4-cylinder engine is EPA rated at 20 miles per gallon city/24 miles per gallon highway/22 miles per gallon combined. The V6 engine is EPA rated at 18 miles per gallon city/22 miles per gallon highway/20 miles per gallon combined. Off-road capability. The Tacoma is known for its off-road capability, and the new model is no exception. All models come standard with 4-wheel drive, and higher trim levels offer a variety of off-road features, including a locking rear differential, Bilstein shocks, and a lift kit. Interior. The Tacoma's interior has been completely redesigned for 2024. The new interior is more spacious and comfortable, with higher quality materials and finishes. The Tacoma also comes standard with the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is available with an 8-inch or 14-inch touchscreen. Safety. The Tacoma comes standard with a variety of safety features, including Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Host. Overall, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma is a major improvement over the previous generation. It's more powerful, more efficient, more comfortable, and more capable off-road. The Tacoma is sure to be a popular choice for truck buyers in 2024. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews.